The time cube theory. What's going on, everybody? Caleb here again. Today I'm making a conspiracy theory video on the time cube theory made by the man Otis Ray. Or Otis Eugene Ray, whatever he calls himself. Anyways, this man right here. Now, when I first heard this theory, I literally went, wait, what? Because what he's saying is that the Earth is not a sphere as we know it, it's a cube. And you have 4 parts of every day, and these 4 parts of every day actually lead up to 16 parts of a whole day. So you got midday, sundown, midnight, sun up. As far as the Jesus, Socrates, Clinton, and Einstein going thing, I don't know what that's all about. But I think I figured out what he's talking about in the form of the Earth being a cube and what he meant by the 16 times a day, every rotation. You know, I did a really piss poor explanation just now, so I'm just going to show you the interview done with the man himself.
Show, Gene.
Thank you, Martin.
So, Gene, you say that I'm stupid because I believe that when the Earth rotates once, there is only one 24-hour day, but your time cube principle disputes this, no?
Right. It has 4 corners. When it shines at midday, it simultaneously creates a midnight. Where the 2 majors join, it creates the 2 minors of sun up and sundown. And each corner quadrant of Earth rotates to its own separate 24-hour days.
Well, the Earth is a sphere, though. It's not a cube.
It's composed of 4 quadrant corners. Each corner, because it rotates in 4 different directions simultaneously. Toward midday, midnight, sun up, and sundown. It rotates those directions simultaneously. Each one of them has its own separate day.
Gene, how do you know this? What's your proof, scientifically speaking?
Well, here's in the cube. You can see it. You can't deny that. I offer any academic institution, any professor, $10,000 to disprove it. They can't disprove it, so they ignore it and run and hide.
You're offering $10,000 to anyone who can dispute the time cube principle?
Institution or professor.
Not me. If I beat you in a debate right now, you're not going to pay me $10,000?
$1,000.
$1,000 for me? That's all right. I got to have my own model of the time cube right here. Where'd you get these things? Like Magic Mountain?
Well, they're paperweights. You can buy them. They're just paperweights, but they represent the time cube.
But
Confused? Well, that's understandable. Let me see if I can decipher what he's saying here. All right. So what my guy Gene is trying to say is where the sun is right now here, okay, you got your midday, your sunrise, your midnight, and your sunset. So what he's trying to say is this section right here is a whole day. So each one of these, that's 2, 3, 4. You see what I'm saying? And then as the sun moves, you can see the times of the day have changed. Understand? Now, the Earth rotates as well. So, when you have the Earth rotating and the sun rotating, that's how he gets the simultaneously rotated days and 16 days or 16, what was it exactly? 16 space times is what he said. Gene got a little confused, and for some reason he thinks the Earth is a cube, which even that doesn't make sense because I made it into a square, but it's not even, it's a diamond right now. Okay, this is a cube, okay? If the Earth is here and then the sun is rotating around the Earth, which is a cube, that still doesn't make sense. Oh, by the way, he doesn't count the top here. This is the top or the bottom as part of the cube because you know a cube has 6 sides. It says just 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Yeah. So, so the North and South poles apparently aren't part of Earth. Those are made up too. But yeah, you got the sun rotating around your cube here, and yeah, and that's what he's saying. So you get your 16 different space times, and yeah, I know, it doesn't make any sense. Now, as far as the whole Einstein, Bill Clinton, Socrates, I think it was, and whoever the 4th person was, being in the 4 corners, I don't know what that's all about. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't find stuff on that. Yeah. This man, Gene, he suffered from schizophrenia, and you can see he was an older gentleman, and he probably had some other stuff going on. So that's why I said he probably got a little confused. He probably overthought some things, and yeah, and if he was still alive, he would owe me $1,000, but sadly, he passed away. I think it's hilarious how he insults everybody else, too. He says we're dooming our youth by teaching them that the earth is a sphere, it's actually a cube, and he threw in some insults too, and it's just a really entertaining theory, and I really wanted to make a video on it. I really wanted to look into it some more. This is something I'm going to be doing more on the channel too. There's a couple other conspiracy theories I want to look into and make a video on. So that'll be happening sometime in the future. So you just get everything in this channel, man. You get gaming, you get iceberg videos, you get anime discussions, you get conspiracy theories. The only thing we're missing is mukbangs. You should definitely subscribe today so you don't miss out on anything. But yeah, that is the Time Cube. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys at least understand it a little bit. I hope you at least had a laugh like I did. And yeah, that's all I got to say, guys. Have a great day.